Hi guys, today I'm going to share my way of organizing simulations. The goal is to use Houdini takes and drops to set up an overnight simulation and be able to review the results in the next morning, something like that. Firstly, I'll go through my project as an example, and in the upcoming video, I'll make a simple simulation and build the workflow from scratch. So without further ado, let's get started. Recently, I'm trying some explosions, and these are my results. They are hardware renders. I've been doing a couple of iterations for these using Houdini takes, and I think it allows me to develop the look more systematically. For example, I can pick one take I like. Let's say the third one, I like its shape and the motion of the fire. Then I can keep these features by creating some child takes and run another overnight sim. In this way, I have better chances to achieve the look I want. In my opinion, it's really a great way to explore the possibilities for your simulations. Now let's take a look at the setup. I have two nodes here. The purple one is my pyro theme and the red one is for catching. On the upper right are our takes. We can open the take list panel to better view this. On the left side are our takes. The main take is the essential take. Every time you new a Houdini file, you get one for free. We can see it as the root take. Under main take is our mid-res take. I turned off the darknet catching and increase the resolution for my pyro theme. And everything else is the same as main take. Under mid-res take, I have 3 child takes. Try 1, try 2, and try 3. Each one plays the different values for different parameters, and you can clearly see which parameters has been changed on the right side. So it helps us to track what we have done and never lose the numbers. Okay, now let's take a look at the catch network. Let's go back to main first. I use file catch to catch results for each take. We can tell file catch to render a different take using this drop-down menu. In this one, it will catch mid-res take, and this one it will catch try 1 take, and etc. And then I have a switch sub so that I can switch from different catches for each take, and later I can control the parameter here. By the way, its name is called input. And then I can use this parameter to generate 4 different sequences for my takes. We will see it later. Now let's enter ROP world. First, I catch my 4 takes by 4 fetch drops, and after they are done, the wait drop will be triggered and render 4 different sequences for my takes through OpenGL ROP. So now let's talk about all these 3 ROPs. The first one is fetch ROP. It allowed us to pick any ROP in other networks and integrate it into our catching workflow. For example, this one is pointing to file pyro take mid-res file catch, and this one is pointing to pyro take try 1 file catch, and etc. Okay, so the next one is OpenGL ROP. What OpenGL ROP does is similar to Flipbook Preview, which can generate hardware renders from the viewport. We can also add some information to the viewport, as I did here. I add the file name and the cache information here. So the last one is weight drop. It's good for trying some different values for specific parameters. Kinda similar to what we have done here, but takes are more flexible and versatile. However, in the case of making OpenGL reviews, it's perfect to use weight drop because I just want my switch sub go from 0 to 3. So here is the parameters I want to control. As we remembered, it's called input. And the range is from 0 to 3, and we have 4 takes to run. And I want it run by this one, the OpenGL ROP. And then finally, we can just push this button and pick it up in the next morning. And of course, there are more details about the settings. We'll talk about it in the future video. So that's pretty much it for this introduction. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.